Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And I think my fiance's about to walk through the door because she just got off work a while ago. But anyway, so today I was totally going to do a look, but then I decided I did not feel like pulling my whole camera out, so that look went out the window. And so I said, you know what, I'm just going to take a palette and just make something happen. So I did. I'm rocking the table, sorry. But so this is the look that I came up with, not the hair. The hair is just a wig I slapped on my head. But this look, a little bit of a halo action, and then a nice vampy lip. I don't know why I took it so dark, and it's the middle of summer. Not the middle of summer, but it's the start of summer. And I did some kind of winter ass look, but whatever. Anyway. So, I did something better, but I'm filming on my phone, so sorry. But you can watch it on your phone with no problems. But yeah, so I don't talk. It's just like a speedy run through. I did have to go back and show that I did a different thing on my eyes, as far as blending and transition color. And I'm sorry, I'm staying. I got my little drag queen wig, a drag queen fan. I moved. If you don't know, I am a femme performer, and I'm in a group called Twisted Sisters, and we just got together. We worked in a different bar together, so that's how we formed ourselves. Well, we got formed by people putting us back together, but anyway, I'm gonna share. I swear I didn't share the first show because we were so fucking busy, and I was in 4 different numbers, and it was just too much. But next time I do want to set up everything. I wanted to set up this ring light, and I didn't. And I got some stuff I want to review too, but of course I never have time because I have children and I work. A bitch works, and today I had to work my whole shift. I didn't get VTO. I was so upset, but I hope you all like this look, and if you'd like to know how to get it, I'm sorry if that was loud. If you'd like to know how to get it, please stay and see how it was achieved. And right now, I'm sorry, that was the worst intro because I'm still talking, but I'm giving myself that one girl, my fiance watches her. That one girl who does the conspiracy, she's really pretty, Kendall. I'm giving myself some Kendall vibes tonight. I am. But anyway, granted she's white, but anyway, yeah. But if you'd like to see how I got this look right here, please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps me out. And also, I want to film more, so I just made myself film tonight. I said, put this bitch up and go, and just do it. No one's here. My kids are asleep, and one of them is asleep because the other one I just found working around the corner before I could put my hair on. So yeah, I'm gonna start this video now. Thank you so much for sitting through my rambling, and please enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, okay?
it easy.